Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to delve into the specifications of the Headshok stem and how to find a proper alternative if you're looking for one like I am. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group for like-minded people who are into bike restorations. You're welcome to join that group as well with the help of the link in the description below. I have two Cannondales with a Headshok stem, a Cannondale Killer V from 1998 and a Cannondale Super V from 1994. And I'm at least looking to replace the 15 centimeter stem, Headshok stem for the Killer V, and might also opt for a different one for the Super V. Headshok stems came in just one head tube diameter, which is 1.56 inch. The diameter is used only for Headshok forks and is a Cannondale proprietary standard. I don't know for sure what specific lengths were brought onto the market because only the 1998 Cannondale catalog featured all of the available stems. Two sets were featured for mountain bikes and for the Cannondale Silk road bike, which was a road bike with front suspension. Based on measurements I took from the catalog and the fact that Headshok stems are reversible, you could go from -30 degrees to a 30-degree rise. The first Headshok stem featured a single bolt clamp. This meant the handlebar had to be inserted into the clamp from the side, possibly damaging it, especially with riser bars that have a pronounced curve. And they were soon replaced with a front-loading clamp with a 2-bolt faceplate called the A-head style. And this style clamp enabled the front of the clamp to be removed, which made the stem much more user-friendly to quickly swap out without removing bar ends, grips, brakes, and shifters. And based on the previous information, you can make up what type of stems were available. And all stems can be inverted, so a 135 millimeter -8 degree stem can be changed into a 135 8-degree one. And all of the entries in the following table are offered with the 2-bolt clamp system. Since stems with the single bolt clamps were never featured in the catalog, I don't have more information on them. And the original stems came from an age where long stems were all the rage, so the shortest option available was 150 millimeters. Luckily, there are a number of newer alternatives available, and all of these alternatives use the 31.8 millimeter handlebar diameter. So be sure to buy a couple of shims for your skinny bars as well. Cannondale offers new versions of the Headshok stem starting from 80 millimeters to 120 millimeters in increments of 10, and they come in a 5 and 20 angle. They do have a 31.8 millimeter handlebar diameter. That means older style 25.4 millimeter will need a shim to fit. And the stem has been discontinued in 2014, so getting the size and drives you're looking for can really be quite the challenge. Reverse has created a Headshok compatible 1.56 inch stem called the S-Trail, and they offer it in a single 8-degree 60 millimeter version to accommodate riders who want to have a very short stem. I found the Reverse S-Trail to be the only stem readily available. And the last but not least, Thompson also made a 1.56 inch stem, which is no longer available. They were all 0-degree stems, apparently in 4 different lengths. So that was the end of this video about Headshok stems. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you know any other provider who made 1.56 inch stems, and I hope I can welcome you again for the next video. Bye for now.